Today start. Chemical reaction of amines. Chemical reaction of amines. Everybody here, a first chemical reaction, Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Everybody here, Hofmann's methylation reaction. Or next, a Hofmann's alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. Look here in this reaction. Look here, all of you, a primary amine RNH2. Okay, what is this 1 degree amine? Primary amine. Look here, when primary amines are reacted with excess of primary alkyl halide, means you know RX. Look here, a remove of minus HX. Look here, compound here, okay, R2NH. What is this? This is the secondary amine. This is the secondary amine. Everybody, secondary amine again react with primary alkyl halide. Okay, remove the HX. Remove the HX. You know, compound here. Look here, like this. R3N. Okay, 3 degree amine. 3 degree amine. Look here next. A reaction with again a excess of alkyl halide. Excess of alkyl halide to form compound R. Okay, here R4 N plus X minus. Name of the compound tetra alkyl. Tetra. Okay, tetra alkyl ammonium. Ammonium halide. That is quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, yes. Look here, all of you 1 minute. Here, when primary amines is reacted with a excess of a primary alkyl halide. Look here, in use secondary amine, tertiary amine, and lastly a quaternary ammonium salt. This reaction is called as Hofmann exhaustive alkylation reaction. Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Look here, all of you, all students. Everybody, what is this? Primary amines is reacted with excess of primary alkyl halide or excess of alkyl halide. Okay, it gives. Everybody, secondary amine, next tertiary amine, and lastly quaternary ammonium salt. This reaction is called as Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Look here, everybody, a primary amine on alkylation. Thus, a primary amine on alkylation to form a secondary amine. To form a secondary amine. Everybody, second point. Thus, a secondary amines on alkylation to form a tertiary amine. Look here next. A tertiary amine. Okay, thus tertiary amines on alkylation to form a quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, all these reactions are a Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Look here, everybody, you know a simple point. Okay, the quaternary ammonium salt. 1 minute. Look here, quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, quaternary ammonium salt here, R. Okay, plus N plus X minus. What is this? This is a tetra alkyl ammonium halide. Ammonium halide. Correct? Yes. Look at what is this? This is the quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, simple. What is meant by quaternary ammonium salt here? Look here, a compound. You know here, H4R. Okay, here, you know H4. Next, the N plus, okay, X minus. Correct? Yes. Look here, simple. A tetra-alkyl derivatives of ammonium salt. Tetra-alkyl derivatives of ammonium salt in which a 4 hydrogen atom, okay, attached nitrogen atom in salt are replaced by same or different, everybody, 4 same or different alkyl groups are called as quaternary ammonium salt. Look at what is meant by quaternary ammonium salt. Tetra-alkyl ammonium salt, okay, in which tetra-alkyl ammonium derivatives of ammonia, in which, okay, a 4 hydrogen atom of a salt are replaced by 4 same or different alkyl groups are called as a quaternary ammonium salt, that is tetra-alkyl ammonium halide. They are represented as R4N plus X minus. Alkyl group, everybody, 4 alkyl group are same or the different. Look here, a quaternary ammonium salt which is used for a manufacture of detergent. Manufacture of detergent. Everybody, you know detergent. A shampoos, everybody also used for, you know, a quaternary ammonium salt which used for the manufacture of shampoos and the conditioners. Shampoos and the conditioners. Okay, you know, a simple thing, everybody, a quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, simple. Quaternary ammonium salt, a tetra-alkyl derivatives of ammonia in which a 4 hydrogen atom, okay, attached nitrogen are replaced by 4 same or different alkyl groups are called as, okay, a quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, a next point, everybody. First studied in this reaction, everybody, what is meant by Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction or Hofmann's methylation reaction or Hofmann's alkylation reaction. And second part also studied, everybody, what is meant by quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, everybody, next, a simple questions, what is the action of excess of methyl iodide? Excess of a methyl iodide on methylamine. Look here, simple first, everybody, here, a methylamine. CS3, everybody, NH2, reaction with excess of methyl iodide. Excess of methyl iodide. Methyl iodide acts as a methylating agent. Methyl iodide acts as a methylating agent. Okay, next. Look here, formation of 2 form. Here, ACS3 taken twice, NH plus HI. Everybody, name of the compound dimethylamine. Name of the compound dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. Look here, thus, what is this? This is the secondary amine. A primary amine is converted into secondary amine by the Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reactions. Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Look here, everybody, a dimethylamine means CH3 taken twice NH. Dimethylamine. You know, reaction with methyl iodide. Reaction with, okay, excess of methyl iodide, to form CH3 taken thrice N plus, okay, HI. Name of the compound trimethylamine. Name of the compound trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Correct? Okay, one word. Trimethylamine. Tertiary amine, secondary amine converted into tertiary amine by the Hofmann's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Look here, saying trimethylamine here is CH3 taken thrice N. Again, reaction with excess of methyl iodide CH3I. You know, product here. Look here, all of you. Okay, all the reaction hitting. Next hitting. You know, compound here is CH3 taken 4. N plus I minus. Look here, name of the compound here, tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Tetramethyl ammonium iodide. Correct? Yes. Look here, Look here, everybody. Here, simple questions here. What is the action of excess of methyl iodide on methyl amine? Everybody, methyl amine on alkylation or methylation to formation dimethylamine. You know, a dimethylamine on the methylation to form a trimethylamine, and next a trimethylamine on methylation to form a quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, a complete methylation of the primary amine. How many methyl group is required here? 1, 2, and 3. How many methyl group is required here? 3. Okay, a simple questions. But everybody, look here, a second questions. You know, second. What is the action of excess of methyl iodide on ethyl amine? Look here, simple. Look here, CH3, you know, CH2, NH2, name of the compound here, ethylamine. Next example. Look here, ethyl amines reacted with excess of methyl iodide. Excess of methyl iodide hitting, you know, compounds like this. Correct? Here, like the CH3, next CH2, next N. Okay, yes, CH3 plus HI. Look here, name of the compound here. This is the mixed amine, ethyl methylamine. Okay, ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine. This is the secondary amine. Primary amine converted into secondary amine by Huffman exhaustive alkylation reaction or Huffman's methylation of amines. Look here, a ethyl methylamine. Next here, a CH3. Okay, look here, CH3, CH2. Here, NHCH3. Reaction with excess of methyl iodide. Okay, here heating form compound like this. CH3, CH2, N. CH3 taken twice. Okay, plus HI. Name of the compound here. Okay, is common name ethyl dimethylamine. Ethyl, you know, here ethyl dimethylamine. Correct? Yes. Look here, next the also methylations. Next methylation, everybody. Here CH3, CH2, here N. Okay? Next CH3. CH3 taken twice plus methyl iodide plus ACH3I. Correct? Heating. You know, compound here ACH3, CH2, N. Okay? Plus. Next, CH3 taken thrice. Next is the I minus. Look here, name of the compound here, simple. Everybody, a name of the compound like this. Okay, ethyl trimethyl. Ethyl trimethyl. Ammonium iodide. What is this? Quaternary ammonium salt. What is this? Quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, simple questions here. What is the action of excess of methyl iodide on ethylamine? You know, when ethylamine on the methylation to formation of ethyl methylamine. Look here, a ethyl methylamine on methylation to form ethyl dimethylamine. Next, a ethyl trimethylamine on methylation to form a quaternary ammonium salt. Correct? Okay. In this reaction, everybody, some part also studied, everybody. First is what is meant by Huffman's exhaustive alkylation reactions. A second, most important thing, okay, what is meant by the quaternary ammonium salt. And next example, there are two types, okay, two examples. First example is what is the action of excess of methyl iodide on methylamine. And second, everybody, second questions here, excess of methyl iodide, okay, what is the action of excess of methyl iodide on ethylamine? Correct? Yes. Look here, complete the Huffman's exhaustive alkylation reaction. Okay, thank you.